everyone, welcome to Vijay Chemistry. And today class we are going to discuss about what? The very important, the multi-center compounds. Okay. Now I'm going to start the 5 important compounds today. First compound, please note Al2 and CH3 and 6 times. This first compound. And second one, that is Al2 phenyl pH 6 times. And third compound Al BH4 and 3 times. And the fourth compound, that is Al2 B4H18. Okay. Now fifth one, that is zirconium ZR BH4 3 times. These are the most important, the multi-center compounds. Okay. Let's start the first compound. What is first compound? Al2 CH36. Please note first one, that is Al2 and CH3 methyl group CH3 6 times. See now I take what is now how Al2 Cl63 form. Now take Al CH3. What is the valence electron for this one? 3 times. Total valence electron, the valence electron nothing but aluminum 3. CH3 is 1 electron donor. Therefore 3 into 1 should be 3. What is the answer is 6 electron. Therefore 6 electron deficiency, right? This is electron deficiency molecule. Okay, listen, CH3 1 nitrogen and 1 nitrogen and 1 nitrogen should be what? Only 1 electron in the electron donor capacity. Okay, now this only 6 electron, the electron deficiency now 4. Now therefore what? The electron deficiency molecule undergo what? Dimerization. Okay, now it's dimerization. What will happen? They form Al2 CH3 6 times. Okay, this is dimer form. This is dimer form. Now you know very well aluminum configuration, that is 3s2, similar to boron, right? 3s2 3p1. But this is ground state. Here 2 electron, here 1 electron, right? Here 1 electron. This is a ground state. What is excited state? 1 electron transfer, right? Therefore this is 1 and this is 1 1, right? 1 electron. Therefore what is hybridization? Will be sp3, similar to boron. Okay, now going to describe what? The orbital diagram for Al2 CH3 6 times. See the diagram, very important. Take here aluminum, here also aluminum, right? Here aluminum. Now this containing what? sp3, right? Therefore 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, right? Similarly, there also 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. How many electrons? 3 valence electron. Therefore here 1 electron, here 1 electron, here 1 electron. In this also here 1 electron, this 1 electron, this 1 electron. In CH3 we know CH3 hydrogen, here also hydrogen, here also hydrogen. Only 1 electron. Therefore they undergo bonding. Here 1 CH3, here 1 CH3, here 1 CH3, here 1 CH3, right? Therefore I write this like this is CH3 electron, this is CH3 electron, this is CH3, this is CH3, this is CH3 1 electron, this also CH3 1 electron. Now how CH3 make a bridge form? See, understand, here carbon, here 1 hydrogen and 2 hydrogen and 2 hydrogen and 3 hydrogen, right? So this one 1 nitrogen and 2 hydrogen and 3 hydrogen, they containing 1 electron, this contain 1 electron. What will happen? Similar to diboron. Okay, similar to diboron. What will happen? This 1 electron it delocalizes to what? This orbital, this orbital. Therefore make a bond this like. Understand this one. Similarly this also what? They make a bond this like. Now look this one, this is common, right? Aluminum CH3, this is 2 center, how many 2 electron bond? This also what? The 2 center 2 electron bond. Understand? This also 2 center 2 electron bond, and this also the 2 center 2 electron. This one aluminum, carbon, aluminum 3 center. But how many electron participate? 1 2. Therefore only 3 center 2 electron, like diboron. This also what? Aluminum, carbon, aluminum 3 center. How many electron? 2 electron. Therefore this also the 3 center 2 electron. This is called as the multi-center bonding. Yes or no? This is multi-center bonding. Similar to, okay, note this structure, note this is similar to B2S6. Understand? Very simple. Please note. Okay. Now going to compare the Lewis acidic order. Please note Lewis acidic order, very important concept. The Lewis acidic order of Al2 Cl6 versus Al2CH3. Okay, Al2CH36. Now you know very well, right? This aluminum, okay, this aluminum and this Cl and Cl bond. Similarly, this aluminum, then this CH3 and this CH3 bond. What will happen? We discussed till now. Now continue. This containing what? The 2 electron, 2 electron. This is 2 electron. This is 1 electron, 1 electron. Right. Therefore, this is what? The 3 center 4 electron. 3 center 4 electron bond. This is 3 center 2 electron bond. Therefore, which is electron deficiency? This is only 2 electron. This is 4 electron. Right. Therefore, this is more electron deficiency. Therefore, in case of Al2Cl6 and Al2CH3 6 times, which is electron deficiency molecule. Both are electron deficiency, which is strong Lewis acid, Al2CH36, because this molecule Al2CH36 containing the 3 center 2 electron. This is 3 center 4 electron, Al2Cl6. Understand? This is what? The Lewis acidic order of Al2Cl6 versus Al2CH3 6 times. Okay, this is the first molecule. I go in second molecule, same Al2 and phenyl. Okay, see no second one. Very important. Same, okay, this also same, Al2 and pH and 6 times. Similar to, okay, Al2CSA twice only. Okay, now see, same here Al, here pH twice. Now this aluminum total valence electron, aluminum belong to that. Okay, this phenyl group, see, this is a phenyl group structure. Phenyl, 1, 2, this also 1 electron. How many electrons? This 1 electron donor. Therefore, this also, how many phenyl group? 3 phenyl, 3 into 1, 3. Therefore, answer is 6. Therefore, this is electron deficiency. Electron deficiency. The undergo what? Undergo dimerization. I get Al2 pH 6 times. Okay, this structure is similar to what? Similar to Al2 CH3 6 times. Same molecule. Okay, listen, same structure. Here aluminum, here also aluminum, sp3 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Similarly, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Here 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron, here 1 electron. Okay, this is phenyl group, this also phenyl, this also phenyl, this also phenyl, right? This is phenyl. Here 1 electron, here 1 electron, this phenyl group, pH, phenyl. Here pH, phenyl. pH means phenyl. This is phenyl. Phenyl group. Okay. This is phenyl group. This is phenyl group. Now this benzene ring, phenyl group, right? Phenyl group containing 1 electron, right? 1 electron. Here 1, 2, 3. This are containing also 1 electron. They're containing 1, 2, 3 bond, 1 electron. Then what will happen? Same similar to what? Same similar to diboron, right? Therefore, here aluminium, phenyl, aluminium. Okay. Therefore, this one electron what? Transfer to delocalize to this aluminum as this aluminum. Therefore, they make what? They make this type of bonding, right? In this case, they make this type of bonding. Understand? Therefore, this is aluminium, phenyl, aluminium. 3 center. How many electrons participate? 1 and 2, right? Therefore, 2 electron. This is common, right? 2 center and 2 electron. Therefore, how many 3 center 2 electron bond? This is 2, right? Therefore, number of the 3 center 2 electron bond equal to answer is 2. Very important question. Please note. Okay, now I'm going to compare what? In Al2 phenyl 6 times and Al2CH3 6 times, which is more stable because both are same pattern, right? Both are 3 center 2 electron bond, 2 bridges bond. Remaining terminal will be what? 2 electron, 2 center 2 electron bond. Okay, now among these two molecules, Al2CH3 6 times, Al2 phenyl 6 times, which is thermally more stable, I'm going to discuss now. It's very, very important. Please note. Very important. Put the star on this. Very important. This is thermal stability. That is thermal stability of stability. Very important concept. Versus what? Al2 CH3 6 times versus Al2 phenyl group pH 6 times. Okay, I take only single unit. Okay, this carbon atom, 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, and hydrogen and hydrogen. This containing 1 electron. Now this aluminium, here aluminium, right? Now they make a what? They make a bond this like 1, 2, this complete bond. This containing 1 electron here, right? Therefore, aluminium, carbon, aluminium, 3 center, 2 electron bond. Okay. Now in this case, this is Al2CH3 case, right? In case of phenyl case, what will happen? Same case. Here aluminium, Here one aluminum. Here also what? Aluminum. Here phenyl group, right? Benzene group. Phenyl. Here one electron. This also bonding. Here one. No. Now, which is more stable? Listen. In case of CS3, which effect can dominate? Hyperconjugation effect. Hey, this is hyperconjugation effect. In case of phenyl group, which effect can dominate? Resonance effect. GOC, right? Resonance effect. Resonance effect. Okay. Now, which is more stable? Always what? The stability always give which is more stable, which is more dominant always. Resonance or resonance effect compared to what? Hyperconjugation, which is more dominant always. The resonance effect is more stable compared to what? Hyperconjugation. Therefore, the bridging ability of the ligands, which is stronger bridging ability, the phenyl ring is compared to CS3. Now, note the point, very important key point, the thermal stability is directly proportional to bridging ability. Therefore, which is more stable? Now tell me. Easy, right? Which is more stable? Phenyl compound is more stable, right? Therefore, Al2 pH 6 times, that is more stable compared to what? Al2 and the CH3 6 times. Simple. This is about what? The thermal stability of the molecule. Thermal stability. Very important, please note. Put your box on this, okay? Very, very important, please note this point. Based on what? Based on the bridging property, we can tell about what? Thermal stability of molecules. Okay, please note. Okay. Next slide, I'm going to discuss about what? The BH4 molecule, right? This molecule is CS3 phenyl group. And that type of molecule, what? They containing BH4 minus ligand. Okay, the BH4 minus ligand can act as what? The bridging ligand. See, and that one is very important. Before go for that one, I give the important notes. Please note the important point. Note. It's very, very important for other three examples. Note. In case of BH4 plus, there will be two possibility. What are two possibilities now? He make mu2. What is mu2 bridge? mu2 mode, or possibility to mu3 mode. Okay, there are two possibilities. Okay, mu2 bridge formula, mu3 bridge formula. What is mu2 bridge now? Listen. Now with this metal atom, here boron, and one nitrogen, and hydrogen. This is called what? This is mu2 bridge. This is called mu2 bridge. Okay. Now what is mu3? See the mu3 bridge. This is mu3 bridge. Again, here metal, here boron, here hydrogen, and here hydrogen, and here hydrogen. Okay. This is mu3 bridge. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now BH4 minus can make two possibility. One is what? The mu2 as well as mu3. When mu2, mu3 form, when very important, when the metal, M is metal is belong to P block element. It's belong to P block element, always form what? The mu2 bridge. Understand? Okay. Are they same? When the metal is belong to the fourth and listen, metal belong to what? 4D and 5D series. 4D and 5D series, they make form what? The mu3 bridge. Understand? Very, very important. Put star on this point. Based on this one, I'm going to discuss the three examples. Okay. BH4 minus can possibility two mode. One is mu2 mode, one is mu3 mode. When is the mu2 mode is possible? The metal is P block element. When is mu3 is mode possible? The metal belong to what? And the fourth and 4D and 5D series. Okay. Let's start the third examples. Very important. Please note. Now this is Al, then BH4 3 times. Now aluminum belong to which period? Which group? P block, right? P block. Therefore, now is act as what? P blocks. P block. Now act as what? It's act as the mu2 mode, not mu3 mode. Understand what is structure? If you know the mode of the bridging ligand, we can write the structure very easily, right? Put aluminum here, one boron, one hydrogen, and 2 hydrogen, and 3 hydrogen, and 4 hydrogen. Similarly, this is boron, 1 hydrogen, and 2 hydrogen. Here hydrogen, right? Here boron, 1 hydrogen, and 2 hydrogen, and the hydrogen. Make a mu2 bridge, very simple, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The structure of what? AlBH4 3 times. Now see, aluminium, hydrogen, boron, 3 center, right? Aluminium, hydrogen, boron. Therefore, this is 3 center 2 electron bond. But which type? This aluminium and hydrogen boron. Okay. How many 3 center 2 electron bond? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 6 3 center. Okay. 6 3 center 2 electron bond. Now, what is the coordination of aluminium? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our coordination number of aluminium. Aluminium, nothing but the answer is 6. Coordination number of boron? 1, 2. What is coordination number? Surrounding atom, right? 1 directly attached atom. Directly attached surrounding atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So coordination number of boron? Nothing but what? 4. Therefore, coordination, what is hybridization? sp3, d2. The hybridization? sp3. Okay, very simple. Okay, they ask directly structure. Maybe what type of question can ask? How many 3 center 2 electron bond? Okay, note in this molecule. Note. Okay, no 3 center 2 electron of what? The boron, hydrogen, boron. In the type molecule, yes or no? Boron, aluminium, hydrogen. Boron, aluminum. Okay, only what? Boron, hydrogen, aluminium. This type of bonding will be there. No, okay, no. Boron, hydrogen, boron bonding is not take place. Very, very important. Please note. That's that example. Okay, I go into fourth example. It's a very important fourth example. The fourth exam asking the previous exam question 2019. That question asking fourth. Okay, the fourth example question. Please note the fourth example. Very important. That is Al2 and B4H18. This is previous year PYQ of jam question and 2019. Okay, they asking what? How many 3 center 2 electron bond? See, similar. Listen. See the structure. Now we have aluminium. Here also aluminium. They make first bridge hydrogen. Here bridge hydrogen. Therefore, this belongs to which element? Which belong to P block, right? Therefore, mu2 is only possible, right? Therefore, this is boron. Boron, 1 hydrogen and 2 hydrogen and 3 hydrogen and 4 hydrogen. Similarly, okay. This is boron. Here 1 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen, here 3 hydrogen and 4 hydrogen. Okay, take this one. Similarly, this is boron, 1 hydrogen and 2 hydrogen and 3 hydrogen and 4 hydrogen. Take this is boron. Okay, same boron. Here 1 hydrogen and here 2 hydrogen, here 3 hydrogen and 4 hydrogen. May make a bridge. Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4 bridge. Okay, mu2 bridge. 1, mu2, and this is mu2. Understand? Simple, right? Now, what is the 3 center 2 electron bond? The number of the 3 center 2 electron bond. Count the how many? Listen, aluminium, hydrogen, aluminium. Which type? This is aluminium, hydrogen, boron, right? This type of 3 center. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 9. This is 10. Okay, this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Aluminium, hydrogen, aluminium. This is 10. Here what? Motor 10. In 10, 8. 8 should be what? 8 aluminium, hydrogen, boron. Aluminium, hydrogen, boron, right? This bond. 3 center 2 electron bond. Remaining 2 what? Remaining 2 is okay. Aluminium, hydrogen, aluminium. Understand? Total 10 3 center 2 electron bond. Okay, 8 should be what? Aluminium, hydrogen, boron bond. Remaining 2 on the aluminium, hydrogen, aluminium bond. Very, very important. What is the ring? Number of ring? 1 ring, 2 ring, 3 ring, 4 ring, 5 ring. Please note. Very important. Number of ring. The number of ring. What is the answer is 5. Now in this, what is the number of ring? 1, 2, 3. The number of rings equal to the number of ring that's equal to 3. This is also very important. Understand? Very simple, right? Let's go for final example. That is a very important one. The fifth one, zirconium complex. Please note, fifth one. That is zirconium and the BH4 and 4 times. Now, zirconium belong to which block element? This is belong to what? Belong to 4D series. 4D series. Now you know very well, in case of 4D series, the BH4 minus, okay, the metal is belong to 4D series. This act as what? This act as the mu3 mode, not mu2 mode. Understand that how many BH4 core unit or one BH4 can make it mu3. Appa, the thing is, 4 they will have the 4 BH4 minus, they make what mu3 mode. See the structure. Very simple. Here zirconium. Here zirconium. Okay. Here boron, 1H, now 1 hydrogen, and 2 hydrogen, and 3 hydrogen. Simple. Okay. Similarly, this one. Here boron, here 1 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen, and 2 hydrogen, and a 3 hydrogen. Now this is boron, here 1 hydrogen. Okay. This 1 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen. Now this which type of bonding take place? Mu3 mode, right? Which mode? Mu3 mode. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3. This is the structure of what? Zirconium BH4 4 times. Now, what is the combination of zirconium? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, the coordination number of zirconiums, what is the answer? Answer is 9. Number of ring? Number of ring equal to 6, right? Equal to 6. Okay. And 3 center 2 electron bond. 3 center 2 electron bond. How many bond? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 9. Okay. 9, 3 center and 2 electron bond. This is very, very, very important. Please note. Okay. This about this very, very important one. The multi-center bond compounds. Okay. I hope understand all the compounds. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the studio as soon as possible. And tata, bye bye.